Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have it right here. So it comes in a nice box like this, iPhone on the side, the Apple at the top, and the opener at the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this back and pull the plastic off. And I'm going to get a little closer so you can see this a little bit better. I'm just going to go ahead and open the top. It's supposed to slide off. Alright, so just open the top, and immediately you have the iPhone with the cameras facing upwards. So you can see those right there. 1, 2, 3 cameras, sensor, and the flash. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And on the other side is nothing but a protective covering to protect the glass. And indicator of the power on this side. The volume down, volume up, and the, what is that? That is the silence mode. The keys on the side, the volume down, volume up, and silence mode. It's nice and shiny on the side. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. The SIM card is located on this side. And I'm not sure exactly what that is, but we'll find out. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it back, and we have nice shiny glass right here. It's flush side. It's a little bit different from the previous models. Nice and sleek. I'm going to flip it on this side. Sleek on that side. Alright, before we turn it on, I'm going to go ahead and pull out what's inside of the box. So I'm going to keep the iPhone right there. And right here is the lightning cable that comes with it. So this is the lightning cable that you plug in to the bottom of the iPhone. And you plug this in to USB-C right there. And next, I'm going to open up this part. And as you know, iPhone, they no longer include earphones or earplugs with the iPhone when you buy it. Here is a key for the SIM card when taking it out. Key for the SIM card. And right here is just some information about it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. The SIM key is for this right here. For pulling out the SIM card, simply just put it in and press it like this. Well, I'll get to that later. It's a little bit tougher than I thought. It's not as simple as it looks. But I'll zoom in. Maybe I can get it this time. Put the SIM, just press it in there like that. And the SIM card comes out. You can just pull out the slot and you have access to the SIM card. I'm going to go ahead and push that in. And I'm going to power it on by holding down the power button on the side. Hold it down. And it does not power on. Perhaps, oh, there it is. Oh, what happened? I'm going to try it one more time. Hold down the power button. And it comes on. So it's powering on. We'll go through the initial setup really quick. I'm just going to turn it on so you can see what it looks like. It takes a second for it to load up on the first time, but we will see what goes on. Alright, so it says hello. And it takes me to various screens. Hola, which is hello in Spanish. Hello, I believe that's German. Okay, alright, bonjour, which is hello in French. Alright, how do I get past this? I'm tired of saying hello. That's hello in some language. I'm not sure what that is. Alright, so how do I get past this? Alright, so it says this. What just happened? Hello. Alright, so swipe up to open. So I have to look at the bottom. Swipe up to open. And here it is. It gives you a lot of selections to choose from what language you want it in. And I'm going to go with English and select my country, United States. And what does it say? It says, quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other phone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this phone, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. So I'm going to conclude this unboxing. But once you get to this point right here, you just read the instructions and you can get your phone up and running. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good night.